Hi everybody, I hope you're keeping well. Just a quick one today. Last couple of weeks have been a bit of a torrid time for business. I've not been able to get in to see many people not returning calls, emails, etc. So you get in a position where you get a little bit down and things start to slacken off, and that's the last thing you want. So yesterday I doubled down, really got myself structured, got myself organised, and just hit the phones. And I've got to say, I'm back in a good place again now. If you're a salesperson or in sales, you go through these periods, but it does get better. You've just got to pick yourself up, got to try and stay positive. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say today. Is there's always light at the end of the tunnel, and when you're in sales you've got these peaks and troughs, and when you're in a trough, my God, it can sometimes affect you quite badly, particularly when all you're relying on is business coming in on what you sell. So yeah, so back in a good place. If you need to ask any questions, then please leave a comment. Always happy to help if I can. And yeah, great. Catch up with you again soon.